Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a BLine effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you just click on the all effect at the bottom. Click on it, and after this you can click on a border. And now you can swipe until you can see BLine. This is the BLine, so you just click on it. In here you can see a BLine 1 until a 5. You can choose the BLine that you want. I want to try to add a BLine 1. This is the BLine 2, BLine 3, and BLine 4. The last BLine 5. But in here I want to add a BLine 2, so you just click on a BLine 2. And after this you can click done in here and finish. So that's how to add a BLine effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.